guys, this is Dr. Wood. It's week 4 of English 1301. I wanted to go over the assignment instructions with you, so please follow along with me. This week we're working on our research project presentation, and so we're going to engage with the new AI software in Microsoft PowerPoint to create a visually stunning research presentation. You're going to be using your current topics from your position essay to create this project. Now let's take a look at our learning outcomes for the week. Our course objectives are umbrella objectives: developing critical thinking skills, practice research skills, communicate ideas using written, visual, and oral means. We'll connect our research with ethical decision making. Our module level objectives are to practice organization, revision, and research, and we'll do that on our research presentation. I think you're going to love the new features in Microsoft PowerPoint. They are making it very easy to create really professional level presentations. This week we'll learn best practices in preparing presentations for a professional audience. We're going to engage in the crucial elements of decision making on an ethical level. We're going to learn best practices in both oral and virtual communications. Your web links and content to review this week are listed under the Week 4 content page. Please take a look at the Purdue Owl presentation guide, the UK presentation guide, and the variety of learning resources here that are shared with you on our page. Now, what are the assignment requirements? Let's take a look at the assignment. This is a 20 slide minimum. The slides will be presented in a linear fashion. We're going to be using our same topics from our position essay. You're going to reference all of your work cited on the final slide of the PowerPoint. Now I'm suggesting some other formats here. If you would like to use Prezi or Google Slides, feel free to do so, but the Microsoft ecosystem is our preferred platform for Dallas College, so please consider using PowerPoint, and as I mentioned, I'll show you the new features that make your presentation super easy to use. So let's take a look at the rubric for this project. For example, you essentially are going to be scored on a variety of areas. It's always good to take a look at the rubric. This rubric states here how to look at the excellent and the above average in developing elements of the rubric. Your presentation needs to show a thorough understanding of your topic. In order to receive an excellent, for example, you have to show some substantive research effort. The content must be accurate and sequenced in a clear and logical way. All required elements must be included, including the reference list at the end. In terms of design, the slides must be visually well designed with appropriate use of white space, visuals, and color. And on the style and mechanics area, you should be free of grammatical errors. So take a look at the rubric. That's always important on any assignment to make sure that you're good to go in terms of being prepared for the project. Now, okay, how do you get to our new PowerPoint software? Take a look at the Microsoft Outlooks page. You go to the waffle up here, click on the waffle. You can click down on PowerPoint, and PowerPoint opens automatically, showing you the visual interface for this project. Basically, now you're starting a new blank presentation. How do you start off? I mean, basically, you can either create a blank presentation, you can upload a file with some content already, or you can create one with one of the recommended templates. And I recommend these templates. These are fantastic. So you can click search templates. Say you're working on an environmental topic. You can choose an environmental themed presentation from these choices. We did a couple of these last year in my class, and it was really quite good. So this is, for example, a template that you would use for a sustainability project. And you can basically on the right hand menu bar, I wanted to show you these just options for how the design looks. So you can select basically all of these items. Now, also, you'll notice, like when you're creating a new slide, you can basically click on the new slide element and include visuals from the standard visual area, and they will create some pretty remarkable presentations. And let me show you mine that I made here in my definition essay. So this was really easy to do. I combined some of our Dallas College elements. Let's look at it from the beginning. This is basically my presentation on definition and arguments from English 1302, but I just included a lot of our visual elements from Dallas College. I included my own content, my own research. I used the banner information. I added some visual elements here for my assignment topics, and it was really easy to do using this new AI software. So in PowerPoint. So I recommend PowerPoint. I know I said you can use Prezi, Google Slides. You guys are using a lot of different platforms. I'm open to, whichever platform you want to use. But I do recommend this. It's free to us. We have all this access to all these software elements in our Microsoft ecosystem. So please take a look at that. Okay, finally for week 4, so we're working on our presentation. It's a 20 slide minimum with references at the end. We're also working on our discussion post for the week. We have some additional readings, the Norton Field Guide to Writing, chapter 59. So I wish you all the best this week, students. If you have any questions, please let me know. Reach out via email or in the Course Cafe. Thanks for all your hard work so far, and I look forward to seeing your presentations.